The HPE OneView Global Dashboard provides a single pane of glass for a unified view of health, alerting, and key resources managed by HPE OneView across multiple appliances and data centers. Starting with the dashboard, you can view the health status across systems in an easy-to-read display. In this example, you can see that there are critical alerts among some enclosures that need to be addressed. By clicking on the red portion of the graph, you can drill down to see which enclosures are critical. You can then click View Activity in OneView, and the global dashboard takes you to that OneView instance to identify and deal with the issue. In just a few clicks, you are able to get to the problem to take care of it as fast as possible. It's that easy. Another way to access data is through resource pages, which provide detailed information about the resources in a particular category and enable you to assign resources to groups. Here, you can scroll down to find the Apollo servers in the infrastructure. By clicking on the resource, you can view a summary of information including memory, performance, processors, firmware running on the server, and more. Resource pages are provided for enclosures, server hardware, server profiles, server profile templates, and storage systems. You also have the ability to see your SimpliVity environment. By clicking on the Converged Systems resource page, you can view the SimpliVity systems in your infrastructure. You can then select any SimpliVity system to view software versions and utilization of each system. Lastly, you can also view your data from reports. HPE OneView Global Dashboard offers many reports to gain insights into the supported environments like health, alerts, inventory, contract and warranty, and licensing data. For instance, warranties and contracts will show you the status of the warranties and contracts for any infrastructure in your environment. This environment shows one resource with an expired status. By clicking on the red bar, you can scroll down to see when that warranty expired. There are many other report options, including server inventory reports. By selecting the server inventory report, you can view server information about processor, serial number, performance, disk space, and other items. You can also schedule this or any other report to be automatically generated and emailed to whoever may need it based on a custom schedule. Simply click on Schedule within the desired report and enter the necessary information. You can even use HPE OneView Global Dashboard to report on itself. Easily view all of your HPE OneView licenses across your infrastructure by generating a licensing report. Another great feature in HPE OneView Global Dashboard is the Search feature, which enables you to search for a server using a name, a model, serial number, or even a MAC address. You can then click on the server to get any information you may need. If you need to view your infrastructure by region or other groupings, you can utilize the Groups and Filtering feature. When viewing your dashboard, you can streamline what you see by applying a filter using any of your group names, which you can customize when setting up Global Dashboard. This helps you to separate out the data by region, department, or any other category you create. In summary, HPE OneView Global Dashboard provides a unified view of health, alerting, and key resources managed by HPE OneView across multiple appliances and data centers worldwide.